Magandang good morning sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa mundo ng teknolohiya. This time naman, ang pag-uusapan natin, dahil nga nandito tayo sa mga paranoid na mundo ng technology, i-discuss natin ano nga ba ang mixed reality o yung tinatawag na ginagamit ngayon ng lahat ng nakasubscribe sa Meta ni Facebook founder na si Mark Zuckerberg. At yan, makikita mo yan, super bata pa, pare ko eh. Makikita mo sa picture na yun, super bata na nag-aaral na ng 3D. Alam mo yung 3-dimensional object? Ito yung makikita mo sa yung tinatawag na ano yan? Meta na smart eye glasses. So, una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang mixed reality? Ito yung tinatawag na when you wear your smart eyeglasses, may makikita kang augmented reality. And all of the objects na makikita mo right in front of your so-called smart eyeglasses is built with 3D object. Yan na yung tinatawag na augmented reality. Kumbaga, merong mag-a-appear na Pikachu sa harapan mo, though in reality, wala. At paano nga ba yun ginagawa, pare ko? Based on my experience, yung nakita mong batang yan, nag-aaral na siya ng Unity. Yun ang mga IDE platform na pwede mong gamitin para makakreate ka ng augmented reality o mixed reality. Yan ang mundo ng teknolohiya. Super bata pa niya. I-explain ko paano ha. Isipin mo yung bata mo at the age of elementary, he is already building his own 3D objects and 3D animation. And ang gagawin lang naman ng bata mo, he is going to sit on a computer laboratory. He will be guided and educated on how to use Unity. Ano nga ba itong Unity? Ito yung, kumbaga, pag-aaralan mo how to create a mixed reality application, an augmented reality application, o naman yung sinasabi yung render application, di ba? Yan, ang gagamitin ng bata mo. In fairness, hindi yan na ituturo ng mga lang. You have to be aware of it, o kaya kailangan mong aralin. So, you will become skilled practitioner when it comes to ganyan. At ano bang kagandahan? Bakit kailangan mag-aral ng bata dun sa Unity? Well, una sa lahat, super bilis ng evolusyon ng teknolohiya, pare ko. Imagine mo to On the 20, we have the so-called game console. Meron kang ilalagay na memory and it is filled with games. A-appear yan sa TV mo, pero ang setup nun is only in a 2-dimensional object. Ito yung parang nakapaste lang siya sa computer screen mo o kaya sa TV mo, and you will be able to play Mario na. Mario Bros, kaya naman yung Donkey Kong. There is this also when yung nag-appear na yung 2006, we have Counter-Strike na. We have the CRT computers, we have the tapos nag-evolve yung CRT computers into flat screen, di ba? But they are still evolving, and lahat ng games na nandoon more on 2-dimensional objects. Then here comes the in the year 2023, 2024, and 2025, there comes a new innovation. Ito na yung smart eyeglasses ng Meta. And by the way, before that happens, marami ng study marami ng studies and researchers all about the 3D object. Ito na yung tinatawag na it is not just a dimensional na videos pasted on your screen. It is already a 3-dimensional object. Na when you try to, pwede mo siyang i-rotate you have to rotate it to 360 degrees, pababa, pataas, o kaya naman sideways. So you will be able to verify if it is 2D or just 3-dimensional object. And in fairness, when that happens, ang dami ng sumunod na branches ng research and studies. And it was like It's either augmented reality. Alam mo yung augmented reality? Ito yung when virtual reality arises, ito na yung pumalit sa lahat ng augmented reality. Nagsabay yan yung virtual reality study and augmented reality studies. Yung augmented kasi, ito yung nasa phone mo. Ito yung kung meron kang maaalala na cellphone and then you will be able to use the camera and videos, there's this so-called little settings na augmented reality on the side of your phone. Pwede mong gamitin yon, and when you just try to video you create a video, then you will try to click the augmented reality. May lalabas at lalabas in front of your videos na it's either animated na 3D objects, maglalaro at may kikilo siya bigla. It's either he will jump parang Pokemon or he will just ganyan. Yan ang augmented reality. Kung nakapaglaro ka nga naman ng Pokemon Go, yan ang unang augmented reality game na it was created like with a 3-dimensional object embedded on it, and pwede kang ng Pokeball and you will be able to tame the Pokemon. Yan ang mundo ng teknolohiya, pare ko. Well, ngayon naman meron tayong tinatawag na nag-evolve na si Meta and the founder of Facebook into something else. Hindi na to yung way back beginning of the Facebook na it is only just a 2-dimensional object, and they created the smart glasses. So they have this device para ma-simulate ka. You will able to ma-feel mo na you are no longer in a 2-dimensional world. You are in another world which is called the mixed reality, and you will feel it by yung mga objects na nasa harapan mo, diba? And paano yan ginagawa? Base dun sa napag-aralan ko, and based on the skills that I have generated long way before, kasi na-retire now within the 10-year gap, na-retire ako sa software development. And in fairness kakakita ko bata nag-aaral ng Unity. So ang sabi ko, baka mag-add super galing na ng taong yan when it comes to mixed reality. And it is useful kasi nga yung Unity IDE, yan yung ginagamit ko dati just to create simulations of 3-dimensional object to create a virtual reality setup. Kaso nga lang, in the timeline ng gap na niyan, after 10 years, nag-evolve yung virtual reality to mixed reality. And that is how the Meta right now is performing, di ba? Ganyan ang front end ng Meta, the mixed reality setup. You have the virtual reality setup, tapos meron kang hand motion gestures, yung tinatawag nating ganyan, may appear na kamay sa harapan mo, and then you will be able to may mga 3D objects na biglang appear sa mo, di ba? Yan lang naman ang mixed reality, pare ko. Dati ang meron yung sa amin lang sa akin, based on experience, ang pinakaunang ginamit ng Pinoy, Google Cardboard. Mura lang siya. Gagraduate ka sa murang halaga. And then what comes next is yung yung meron silang yung parang hindi na siya cardboard hindi na siya cardboard, hindi siya may yung piece of paper, and nag-evolve siya into something else. And right now, ang nakakatawa, it is already 2025 and we have the smart eyeglasses. May smart eyeglasses na hindi na siya yung tipong cardboard lang, a mere piece of paper. Hindi rin siya yung tipong yung alam mong super laking devices. And nakaganyan siya. Diba? Ang kagandahan ngayon, nag-evolve. So, it's now like a mere sunglasses. And ang kagandahan nun, pa-evolve ang teknolohiya. Ganyan, kabilis ang mundo ng teknolohiya. I-out ko to, it is a 10 minutes run from your so-called teacher. Because yan tayo sa mundo ng teknolohiya. Super bilis ng pagbabago. super bilis ng R&D, super bilis ng mga output, super bilis ng mga tawag nito, production ng teknolohiya. In fairness na-shock lang. Gumawa ako nito kasi na-shock ako. There is now a 6-year-old guy practicing Unity. Diba? Kasi yung Unity, yan yung ginagamit mo para maka-create ka ng virtual reality setup, mixed reality setup, at augmented reality setup. Clap your hands ako. And, ewan. Kikreate ako ng bagong content ko right after siguro. Alam mo na. Kasi, technology is a never-ending process. So, you have to adjust on it. Diba? I-out ko na to. It's 11 minutes. Super anga. At napakreate ako ng sarili kong content. I-off ko na. Bye-bye.